On Chromebook, there is no dedicated caps lock button. However, there are ways to use caps lock on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first method is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you want to use caps lock, then simply press Alt and Search key. This will enable caps lock on your Chromebook. Also, to disable it, you can use the same keyboard shortcut, that is Alt and Search. However, if you want to change the search key to caps lock, then you can simply open Settings application, click on Device. Here simply select Keyboard and Input option, and here you will find an option to customize keyboard keys. Simply select the option. Now you can replace search key with caps lock. Now you can use search key to enable and disable caps lock on Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can turn on caps lock on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.